Hi gang, how we doing? Hope you're well. It's only a really quick video. It's New Year's Eve as I'm recording this, and I'm just out up in Grenorside in Sheffield, up in the woods walking the dog. Well, say hello, Maisie. Looking beautiful she is. Say hello to the gang. But yeah, we just thought we'd pop on, say hello and wish you all a fantastic new year. Happy 2025. Hope you have a good one, and there'll be more videos and content coming up throughout the year. You've got my Cyprus video to come, my last one, which is a hotel review. That'll be coming up in the next week or so. There might be a little break as I decide where to take the channel, but we will be back with you at some point in the near future. It's absolutely windy as anything up here. We are getting blown all over. It's the quietest it's been, which is hence I managed to get a little intro filmed here. But yeah, have a great new year, and we'll see you guys hopefully very, very soon. Take care, have a good one. Say goodbye, Maze. Say goodbye to the gang. Hello, chick. It's one happy pup. You love it up there, don't you, chick? Hey, put your ears out and we'll be taking off. Woo. Very windy up here today, guys. Stunning views as ever. Try to cover Mike up best I can. Whoa! We're flying here. Can I hardly stand? Go ahead, check. Get back. It's blowing is absolutely everywhere. And she's over. Hello, Maisie. enjoying it, babe? I think you are somehow. Come on, let's crack on, Maisie. Meet Maisie, everybody. Say hello, Maisie, to the viewers. Say Happy New Year. Let's crack on my little pup. So yeah, absolutely love it up here in Grenorside Woods. Well, that's what we call it, it's Grenorside Woods, I suppose, or Wheater Woods as some call it. It's probably got 100 other names as well. But you can just go in about 20 to 50, whatever it is, directions, and just get lost in the countryside, just love it. And I think the hound loves it as well, don't you, Maisie? Anyway, come on, let's crack on. The wind is starting to calm down a little bit, thankfully. Come on, Maisie, good girl. Go on, chick. Good girl. Come on, sweetheart. Hey gang, just a little quick outro from me. Once again to say have a great Happy New Year, have a great 2025. We will see you guys at some point in the new year, and yeah, just enjoy yourselves. Hope you have a good time, you know, whatever you're doing to celebrate New Year's Eve. And yeah, as I said, have a great new year. We will see you in 2025. And thanks for watching, and please like, subscribe, ding that bell for notifications of when I'm uploading new videos. Subscribing is completely free. What will you get for free in 2025? Not very much, I can tell you. So please subscribe. It's all helping the channel. And again, I will see you guys very soon. Take care. Have a good one. Bye-bye.